Welcome. In front of me are Samsung Galaxies A51 and A71. So A51 is on the left and A71 is on the right. And today I'll show you how to transfer data between the devices. So I'm gonna use the A71 as an old device because it has already apps on it that I can transfer, while the A51 is basically new without anything on it really. So to begin, we're gonna need a Type-C to Type-C cable, like I have one right here. The A71 comes with it already. As you can see, both ends are Type-C. Now if you're using a different device, for instance like the Galaxy S10 or Note 10, both of them I think come with a little plug that you can use to plug into the phone itself. It's a Type-C to Type-A converter, and then you can just plug in your normal typical cable to one device, and to the other one it will connect to Type-C. So now I only have this one, and neither of those devices come with it, so that's what I'm gonna use. So number one, all you need to do is connect both of the devices together. So plug in one, and you can see nothing is really happening here, and by mistake I opened something, so there we go. And that's the second one, and I just pressed mix key, so you just rearrange it. There we go. And the moment I plug in this, one of the devices will get a pop-up, so there it is. And you can see that there's the smart switch. Choose that. Now if you're doing this for the first time, it will prompt you that you need to download it, and you need to have it on both devices. So you will need to have it on here and on here. And for some reason it didn't actually open it up. There we go. So you can see there it is. Now I'm gonna move this a little bit closer and hold this in my hand so you can get a better look at it. So you can see this device pops up once you open it up. You have the two options. You can either send or receive files. So because this device already has apps, I'm gonna be sending those apps to this device. So send, then it pops up with same option right here. So we're gonna again choose the smart switch, and we want to receive here, allow access to the phone data. Yep. And you can see both of them are connecting now, and you can see receiving Galaxy A71 from data to something. I didn't get to finish it. So I'm just gonna set this on the side because the other device actually has the options that I can change up. So from here you can see I can choose what to bring. So you have a list of, let me actually completely move this out of the way. So you can see it gives you all the options here that you can transfer. So you have call and contacts, messages, apps, settings, home screen, images, videos, audio, and documents. Now you can select each individual one depending on what you want to transfer. If you want to transfer everything, then just select everything and all of it will be transferred. Now it also tells you here how much data will be transferred. So at this moment it's selected, it's going to be 17 gigabytes and it will take about 9 minutes. So certain things like messages I cannot select because there is no messages to transfer, so that's why it's not selectable. As you can see, there's none. But let me just actually deselect everything, and I'm gonna choose apps, and you can actually tap on the apps, and from here you have list of all the apps that are on the phone, which you can also select and deselect which ones you want or which ones you don't want. So as an example, I'm just gonna select a single one. So let's choose something like Asphalt 9 for instance, click on done, and right now it's going to be just a single file that we're going to be transferring, which is a game. And you can see right now it shows you the size, so it's 3.9 gigabytes and it will take about a minute. And scroll down and click on transfer, and it will automatically begin. Now I'm gonna bring also the second phone into the view so you can see that both of them are right now transferring. I could... Now keep in mind, the more you transfer, the longer it will take. So if you want to transfer like all your music, photos and stuff like that, it might take you way longer than it takes with this. And also, if you're using the Type-C to Type-C, it's gonna be quicker than if you're using the conversion with Type-C to Type-A, because inherently the Type-A is slower than Type-C. So if you're using that, it will take you longer than it's taking me right now. See, there it is. So it's done on both of the devices, and let's just click on done here and close here, and we can now unplug both of the devices. The cable is not needed anymore, so let's get rid of it. And from here there should be somewhere the app that we have downloaded. So there it is. You can see it right here. So I transferred only one app, but you can transfer literally the entire device along with all of its content if you wish to. And yeah, that is how you would use this feature. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.